Hi, welcome. Simon here and hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be doing a screen replacement on an iPhone 11. As you can see, my front is pretty damaged, and as well as the LCD itself has a different color at it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I need to do is to get a Pentalobe P2, which is the 0.8. 0.8 is the size of the screwdriver. We're going to remove the two screws here at the very bottom.
Okay, don't let me hold you up. Just pick the one you want from the list.
Once you have removed the two screws, the next step is to get the metal prying tool. We are going to pry open the screen. There is an adhesive that is taped down the entire phone, so you need to cut it up. Safety first, make sure you wear like a safety goggle to protect your eye. Every time when you work with the broken glass, there's a chance that those tiny little glasses might fly into your eye, so always protect yourself. Now once you have done that, just flip the phone to your right. Get a Try screwdriver or the Y screwdriver. We are going to remove some of the screw here. Remove the bracket. Now the next step is to go ahead and disconnect the battery, but first we need to remove the screw. So there are 3 screws hidden underneath that flex cable. So one tiny up here. Okay, once you have done that, just remove this. Get a plastic prying tool, and that is the battery connector. Disconnect that cable, and the next one is to disconnect this cable, and there you go. Okay, got a Phillips screwdriver. We're going to remove some of the screws here. We will be transferring the proximity sensor, the speaker, all over to the new screen. Okay, so 3 of them is the Phillips, and tiny little one here is for the Try screwdriver, the little Y shape. Okay, now get ready with the new screen. The new screen comes with the plastic, so we need to peel that thing off. So what I like to do is I like to remove this little metal piece. I believe the metal piece is more like the grounding purpose. So you kind of ground the phone. I'm not 100% sure what is that reason for, but I'm just guessing because it's metal. More likely that would be the case. So what I'm doing right now is to try to dig underneath that cable. There are 2 ways to do it. Either you dig the entire plastic together, and then just separate them. And then the next part is to you just have to get the thing reinstalled back. Okay, just like that. Plastic camera goes back in, right? Remember that metal piece that we removed, just stick it back in. Okay, while you're holding that, so get the screw. And this tiny screw here goes to the top left corner. Okay, let's reconnect everything back together. So they're just kind of like Lego. Once you have them in a position, you can easily snap back on it. Connect these two cables. And then connect the battery. Okay, so 4 cables to reconnect, and that should be it. First thing I like to do is to close up the bracket for your battery, the little L-shaped thing. This one screw is pretty hard to get in. It's underneath that cable. Okay, once you get that thing in there, you just have to reposition this metal bracket here, and then got all the screws back in. That's pretty much it. Now some of you may want to reseal the phone. There is a reseal thing that you can buy, the adhesive, which you can reseal the phone back so that it can be water resistant or dust free. In this video, I'm not going to do that. I don't think, in my opinion, I don't think it really matters because the adhesive is still on your phone. As you can see, the little black gooey stuff all around the phone. We can reuse that and seal that new screen up. But in terms of reapplying it, I feel like it is not necessary because it is not that easy to reapply, and some of this thing might not be as sticky as the original. So That's my point. But anyway, you can reseal it if you want, but realign from the top here. So make sure you snap it from the top first, press it around the phone, press it in, and then turn on the phone. Okay, you just have to put the 2 screws back together. Oh, definitely we need to charge it, but other than that, that's it. That's pretty much it. That is the iPhone 11 screen replacement from start to finish. By the way, the screen is not original screen, it's a third party. If you want an original screen, you would have to go back to Apple. All right, other than that, I hope you like the video, and if you do, please hit the like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye now.